Hi everyone, my name is Rishit. Today is the 10th of November 2024. I'll be going over my weekly option chain analysis for SPX and this week for the weekly expiry on the 15th. The max OI level is higher for both, that's positive. Quantity is higher for CE, that's positive. Change is higher for CE, that's positive. Short squeeze is higher for CE, that should be positive. Let me change that. Positive. PCR is lower but still above 1, that's positive. Implied volatility is lower, that's positive. Historical volatility is higher, that's negative. RSI is higher, positive. Note there is a divergence, that's negative. ADX is higher, that's positive. ATR is higher, that's negative. Both EMAs are higher, that's 2 positives. VWAP is higher, that's positive. Pivot point is lower, that's negative. And the candlestick is bullish, that's a positive. The new support and resistance are both are both at 6,000. The previous week's support was 5,700 and the previous week's resistance was 5,750. But the prediction from the option chain is that the S&P 500 goes up. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.